Today, we're getting results at home in Claremont, fixing a crack in a granite countertop. And by the way, it goes for tile too with just a $20 kit.
Sounds good. Erik von Ancken and Marcia showing you how to do it yourself to tackle your projects quickly and easily and keep more money in your pocket.
Hey, it's News 6 anchor Erik von Ancken, the handy newsman. That's crafty cameraman Jeff over there. This is Marcia, and we're getting results at home today in Claremont at Marcia's house. And the reason I'm so excited about this segment today is because for the first time, I don't have to do any work. Marcia's doing it all.
Yep.
Marcia, we're fixing your countertop.
Right. It has a fissure in the granite.
Fissure. It's a little bit of a gouge, I guess,
Like a
right?
small crack.
So you bought this kit, what, on Amazon?
Yes.
How much did you pay?
17 something.
17 bucks.
And it comes with all this stuff.
Essentially, this is epoxy.
Yes. It comes with 4 different colors that you can mix together to get the color you want.
So the idea is we're essentially dyeing or coloring the epoxy to match the countertop. So now we're going to mix the 2 parts of the epoxy together, and you want to do this fairly quickly, right?
Right, you have 5 minutes after you mix it to be done. Then we're going to take the black, we're going to put it in the epoxy, and we're going to put it over to the crack or the fissure, and we're going to apply it right there. The tape protects all the other granite around it, and it's done. Now we take the spatula that it comes with, or a razor, either one, and we smooth it out.
You just make it flat.
You make it flat. Now I've got to let it sit for 24 hours.
24 hours,
And then I'll take the sandpaper tomorrow and I'll sand it a little bit to get it smooth.
That's it?
That's it.
Come on.
Nope, that's it.
That took, 5 minutes.
Yep, that's
Literally
all it
5
says.
minutes.
Yep.
And Marcia, you know this works because you've done this before.
Yes, I've done 2 spots on that counter over there, and I will challenge you to find the spots.
Challenge?
Yeah, right, if you're up for it.
I got no idea, Marcia. Jeff, help me out here.
Yeah, I don't see it. Can I borrow your glasses?
Wise guy. Marcia, show me.
It's right here.
Wow, that is just about perfect. This is after sanding it and you polished it.
Right.
Well, I learned something, and clearly Marcia doesn't need my help, but if you do, send me an email at gettingresultsathome@wkmg.com or call Marcia. And next week, we might just all show up at your door. For now in Claremont, Erik von Ancken, Getting Results, News 6.
Who wants Erik to take Marcia with him on the next
Batman
one?
and Robin. I'm not sure who
Yeah.
Batman is, though.
I need
Marcia
some
might
help for
be.
sure. If you want to watch it again, we have the repair for you online at clickorlando.com. Look under Getting Results at Home. You can also find it on the News 6 Plus app.
And Erik, with the help of Marcia, also posted the step-by-step instructions and a list of materials with links so you can try that for yourself. And like Erik said, we are looking for our next DIY project, so send us an email. Tell us what we can help you with at your home.